What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use HTML in your book descriptions over on KDP. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, if you're new to KDP, publishing low and no content books, you're probably wondering what the hell am I on about when I say the HTML, or how to use HTML in your descriptions over on KDP. So, I've pulled up this planner already. This is by a well-known planner company, and this is their description, so it looks pretty nice. We have a header just here in bold, and then we have the product details with the bullet points. So how do you actually get these bullet points, make things bold and things like that? Well, if you don't know HTML like me, I have no idea what all the code is written in. I have no idea of anything like that, but it doesn't matter because we can use HTML converters. So if we go over to Google just here and type in Amazon HTML or Amazon HTML description editor as well, you could type in, you're going to get quite a few of different options. Now I've pulled up a couple that I like and I'm going to show you how to use them. So if we scroll through, we can see there's loads of different ones. Now my favourites are this one. So this is the AMS Data Studio. Now what I will do as well is leave links for all of these down in the description below, so it's a little bit easier for you to go and check them out. So this is the first one that I do like, AMS Data Studio. Pretty straightforward. You just type in what you want in here for your description. So let's just put a load of dummy text, and let's do that. So if you wanted to bold this, you'd just highlight, and then you can click bold, italic as well. Then you could just have that, all that, like that, all that, like that. Brilliant English, hey? So what you want to do if you want bullet points is just highlight what you want bulleted, and then you can come here on this one, and there we go. So really simple to use. Once you've done that, you just click copy HTML, and then you can put it in your back-end office when uploading your book. So that's the first one, AMS Data Studio. The second one, I like this one as well. This is the AMS Seller Club. And this is all pretty much the same, so you'd put your text in here like that. Keep writing it, your descriptions, how you want them. We can see that it's showing the code just here. So let's just put hello. Oh, monkey, nuts, blah blah. And you can see it fills it here. And then again, you just want to highlight what you want done, and just go through like that. So it's really simple. You can make things bold, italic, bullet points, things like that. It's just doing this makes your descriptions look so much nicer. Now one thing I do want to note real quick is on Amazon, in your descriptions, if you're trying to keyword stuff your descriptions so you can rank higher on Amazon, do not even bother, because Amazon does not index this description. This description is for the buyer and also Google if you want to get free traffic from Google. Now with Google, you do want your keywords in here, because then Google will hopefully go and rank your listing for those types of keywords. But just remember that Amazon does not index this description one bit. Now the third one, this is my favourite to use. It looks like it's had a little bit of a makeover since the last time that I've used it, but this is the Kindle Preneur HTML editor. Again, I'm going to leave a link for this down in the description, just so it's a little bit easier for you to check out. Now, they have recently revamped this. It didn't look as good as this before. We now have heading options just here as well. Then we have the paragraph style like the others, and the font style like the others as well. But we also get some icons. So in here, you could put your book title. Then you could put, this is great for blah 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 blah, and then you could have some bullet points. So Matt, finish 100 pages professionally. I think I've spelt that wrong. Designed, and so on. And then all you'd want to do again is highlight. Then we can turn that into a bullet list. We could also make that italic if we want, or underline, or have a tick box next to it. Tick box. Then with the title, you could do that. We could do a heading 4 for that. Doesn't really look like a heading 4. There we go. So you get the idea. Really, really simple to do. I think I know why, so let's unbold that. Okay, so that's having a little bit of a spaz, but it's really, really simple to use. Just doing this can make your descriptions look so much better. Now, if you don't have any of these, you can also use the Tangent Listing Helper. So Tangent Templates is my go-to tool when creating books, and with the Listing Helper, we got the description just here, so we can write everything there. So let's actually just take this. Let's cut that, go and put that in here, like that, and now we can play around with this, so we can make that bold. We got the headings just here as well, and then we could do the bullets, like that, and just make your description pop compared to everyone else's. So that's the easiest way to use HTML in your book descriptions if you do not know how to write code. And like I said, I am going to leave links for all of these down in the descriptions, so it's easier for you to go and check out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.